Today we are drawing a Dora, a famous cartoon character. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing beautiful hair of the Dora. Please like and subscribe. Now, we draw face of the Dora. Do you know what does Dora do? She loves to go on adventure and explore new places. She also helps her friends and solve problems along the way. Wow, so cute! Now, we are drawing hands of the Dora. Do you know who is the best friend of Dora? A monkey called Boots is the best friend of Dora. Wow! So awesome, Dora! Finally, we are drawing legs of the Dora. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. Black.
Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more jumping on the bed."
Beige.
Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more jumping on the bed.
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more jumping on the bed.
Purple.
two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor
Orange.
said,
No more jumping on the bed.
one little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more jumping on the bed.
See you in next video. Take care.